Did you know that in about 50 million years, one of Mars's moons, Phobos, will crash into the planet? Let's explore why this is happening and what it means for our understanding of celestial bodies. Phobos, named after the Greek god of fear and panic, is Mars's larger moon. It's only about 22 kilometers in diameter and orbits just 6,000 kilometers above the Martian surface, closer than any other known natural satellite to its planet. The orbit of Phobos is decaying due to tidal forces between Mars and Phobos. This means that every 100 years, Phobos moves about 1.8 meters closer to Mars. The surface of Phobos shows signs of structural strain, with long, shallow grooves likely early indicators that it is beginning to break apart under the gravitational forces exerted by Mars. Scientists predict Phobos will either be ripped apart into a ring system around Mars or crash directly into the planet, depending on how fast its orbit decays and the internal strength of the moon. This event provides valuable insights for studying satellite orbits and tidal forces. It also offers a unique chance to observe planetary evolution in action over geological timescales. In summary, the eventual crash of Phobos into Mars is not only an event to watch, but also a significant opportunity for scientific research into celestial mechanics and planetary evolution. So there you have it, the dramatic end of Phobos. What do you think would happen if Earth had a moon in such a precarious orbit? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.